Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Outlier for higher paying remote work, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Outlier for higher paying remote work, first, visit the Outlier website. Once on the home page, look for the option to sign up or create an account. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that you will remember. After that, fill out any required personal information, such as your name and location. Make sure to read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you have completed the form, submit your information. Check your email for a confirmation message from Outlier. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. After confirming your email, return to the Outlier website and log in. Now that you are logged in, explore the dashboard for available remote job opportunities. Filter the job listings based on your skills and preferences. When you find a role that interests you, click on the job title to view the details. Review the job description carefully, including pay rates and required qualifications. If the position aligns with your abilities, prepare your application materials. This may include your resume, a cover letter, and any relevant work samples. Submit your application through the provided link. Once you've applied, monitor your email for updates regarding your application status. Consider networking within the Outlier community for additional support and opportunities. Finally, continuously check the platform for new job listings that match your skill set. Engage with courses and resources offered by Outlier to enhance your qualifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.